Good
Good
evening,
evening,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Really nice to see you all. ಹೇಗೆ ಓದ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Good,
How are you studying?
nice,
Good? Better?
good, good.
Good,
Good.
madam.
Good. Okay, that's really nice. Good. Okay, fine. I am giving you 3 minutes and there is one table which you are supposed to write. One table ಬರ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೇಬಲ್. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ದೆನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವೋ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇದೆಯಾ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ? ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಎಲಾಸ್ಟಿಸಿಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಬೈ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಇಂಟು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬೈ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇದೆ? ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಆಫ್ ಯು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್? ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಒನ್. Okay, Balki doesn't remember only, is it? Gurukul? ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? At least tell that.
No, ma'am.
No, very good. If you keep forgetting like this, it becomes very difficult. Okay? So today we are just going to revise it and then go, but still for the next class I am telling you, if you are forgetting, it becomes difficult. You are supposed to revise and come to the class. Okay, fine. ಈ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಒಂದಿದೆ, 2 ಸ್ಲೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, 5 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದಟ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ ರೆಡಿ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. This is nothing but 0 to 1. More than 0, less than 1. So this is 0 to 1. Done? Till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Gurukul? Last 1 minute? Done? Can I go to the next slide? Okay. This is the one. Done, all of you?
Ma'am.
Yes? Okay, shall we start solving problems? You have this table with you?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you ready? Bulky? Okay, good. Fine then. Let's go with the problem. All of you towards the board. All of you towards the board. Since many of you have forgotten, heng madadu martogide ma'am. So that is the reason I want you people to look towards the board. We are solving this. Why are we solving this? Because ಇದು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವ ಆನ್ಸರು ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೇಬಲಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಟೇಬಲಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ಎಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. Clear with this, all of you? Shall we do this problem? Okay, fine. Tell me, when the price of the commodity increases from 25 to 30, so old price is 25, new price is 30. Old price is 25, new price is 30. The demand for this particular commodity falls from 80 units to 60 units. So old quantity is 80, new quantity is 60. Data nalli enadu problem idya? Data barkonodralli enadu problem idya? Ist artha aita? All of you? Okay, fine. We will write the same thing in the next slide for us to solve this problem. So this is old price, new price. Old price was 25, it came to 30. Old quantity, new quantity. What was the old quantity? 80, and this was 60. Okay, fine. So this is your data. This question alle kottirodon data. ಈಗ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಎಲಾಸ್ಟಿಸಿಟಿ. ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಎಲಾಸ್ಟಿಸಿಟಿ, whoever knows continue. Whoever knows this particular concept can continue and tell me the answer. Whoever doesn't know, just focus. So elasticity of price, change in quantity by original quantity into original price by change in price. Change in quantity. Quantity ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ change ಆಯಿತು? Quantity ಎಷ್ಟು change ಆಯಿತು? 60. 80 ಇರೋದು 60 ಆಯಿತು. What are you doing with the changes? You are always, the change, that is delta, will always be new minus old. So new quantity ಎಷ್ಟು? 60 minus 80, which will be minus 20, divided by old quantity is 80, into old price or original price, how much is it? 25, divided by change in price, that is new minus old, 30 minus 25, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 5. What is the answer? Do it with your calculator. 5 ones are, 5 5s are. So this will be minus
0.3.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು?
Minus 1.65.
All of you got this? Any other answer? Any other answer? ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂತಾ? How many of you have calculators in Gurukul? How many of you have calculators? Okay, you ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ತೊಗೊಂಬರಲ್ವಾ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ? ಲೈಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? I want everyone to get their calculators from the next class. Okay, copy this down. I will tell you what to do after this. Okay. Okay, done till here, all of you? Okay, now we will have to see 1.2 1.65 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಟೇಬಲಲ್ಲಿ? ಆ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೌ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಟನ್ ಡೌನ್ ದ ಟೇಬಲ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಆ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ನೌ ಗೋ ಟು ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ವಿಚ್ ವಾಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. 1.65, it is more than 1. It is more than 1, so it goes here. So it becomes 1 to infinity. 1 to infinity nalli yadide? Terminology? Elastic. So this whatever problem we have solved now, this is 1.65 alva. So this is elastic in demand. This is elastic in demand. Yes, Darshan?
Madam, answer is 1.25, madam.
1 point?
Minus 1.25.
1.25 anta? Okay, fine. I didn't solve it. So last part 25 bandidya. Okay, let me see. Yes, 1.25, correct. If you're going wrong with the calculators, it is very difficult, so use the calculators properly. So minus 1.25. ಈಗ 1.25 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಟೇಬಲಲ್ಲಿ? ಆ ಟೇಬಲಲ್ಲಿ 1.25 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು see the table and tell me where it comes. 1 to infinity ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? 1 to infinity ಟರ್ಮಿನಾಲಜಿ ಏನಿದೆ? One to infinity terminology ಏನಿದೆ?
Elastic, ma'am.
Elastic. So that is the reason this becomes elastic in demand. This becomes elastic in demand. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? All of you?
Yes, madam.
Darshan and the gang, what are you guys doing? You are not even replying yes or no. How should I get to know?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. I want you people to solve one thing and tell me whether it is elastic or inelastic or what exactly it is. Price, old price is 10, new price is 15, old quantity was 50, new quantity is 40. Calculate elasticity of price. All of you have written down this data? Data barkoli. I want you people to tell me, what is this? Elastic or inelastic?
Minus 0.4, ma'am.
What is the answer?
Inelastic, ma'am.
Okay, tell me, what is the answer? Elasticity of price, how much is the value you got?
Minus 0.4.
Minus 0.4. 0.4 in the table. Go to the table. Tell me where does 0.4 come? It is less than 1. Perfect. So it is inelastic. Very good. All of you got this?
Yes, ma'am.
Balki?
Yes, madam.
Even you can answer, man. You need not give it only to Darshan to answer. The person who is passing the mic, you answer madbodu. It is not only one person who is answering. But where is the other mic? I am finding only one mic here. Where is the other mic? Who is having it? Who is having it? Who is having the other mic in Balki? Is there only one mic? One mic ಇರೋದು ಇವತ್ತು? Okay, fine. All of you got this answer? All of you got this answer?
Yes, miss.
Yes, madam.
Okay. So inelastic ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂತನೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಆ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಎಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಇನ್ಎಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 0.4 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಓನ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್, ನಾಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಸೈನ್, ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ನಂಬರ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಎಲಾಸ್ಟಿಸಿಟಿ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇನ್ ಸೈನ್. ಸೊ ಓನ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ 0.4 ಯಾವ ರೇಂಜಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
Elastic.
0 to 1 ರೇಂಜಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ inelastic.
Inelastic.
Okay. Now, I want you people to solve this problem.
I am first.
First one, elastic. Tell me the value. Tell me the value.
1.25.
1.25. Let's see. Others? Others? Write this problem and tell me what is the formula?
Take
Formula
1.13.
1 point?
Percentage change in demand divided by percent.
Very good. So elasticity of price is nothing but percentage change in quantity divided by percentage change in price. Quantity ಎಷ್ಟು difference ಆಯಿತು? What was the fall in the quantity? Quantity ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಯಿತು?
25.
25%. So it is a fall, so it is minus. So it is minus 25% divided by ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಯಿತು ಪ್ರೈಸು? ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಯಿತು?
22, ma'am.
Okay. What will be 25 by 22?
Minus 1.136.
Minus 1.136. Consider only 1.136 in the table and tell me what exactly it is.
Elastic.
It is elastic. All of you understood? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ?
Yes, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. I want this problem, I'm giving 1 minute or even 2 minutes, it is still fine. But I want everyone to do this. Next problem main project ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. And I want everyone
Yes, ma'am.
to answer this question. Next one. Okay, wait, 1 second. We can do this together. So I'll go with okay. Do this problem. Forget this part. I will teach you what is this part. So use, okay, if not just calculate price elasticity as of now. Calculate elasticity of price. Calculate elasticity. Same problem, this problem. Don't use arc elasticity now. Use just the thing which you know and solve this problem.
And minus 0.495.
Minus 0.4 is it?
495.
Okay. Minus 0.495. I'm not writing the exact answer. Whatever you guys are telling, answers barita idini. It might be right or it might be wrong. Let it be anything. So I want answers from everyone. Gurukul?
Answer 0.5.
Minus 0.5. Minus 0.5. This is what? Minute difference. Mohan might be somewhere calculation error. From your calculator also sometimes it happens like whether you are dividing first or whether you are multiplying first. So that happens with a point, but you should get to know by this. 0.495 is nothing but 0.5 can be rounded off and you can go with this. So with the elasticity, only price elasticity. Elrigu banta answer? How many of you got this answer? How many of you got this answer? Okay. I am giving 1 more minute. I want everyone to get this answer. Elrigu answer barlebeku. So I want each and everyone to answer this. Do it. 1 more minute for you people. How many of you got this answer? Raise your hands up straight. Okay. Girls, all of you got this answer? Okay, fine. Tell me. 0.5 ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಇನ್ಎಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಎಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 0.5 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಟೆಲ್ ಇಟ್
Elastic, ma'am.
ಎಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕಾ ಇನ್ಎಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕಾ
Elastic.
0 to 1 ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ 0.5 ಬರೋದು ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ inelastic. So you can write it here saying that this particular one thing is artha aita all of you
Yes, ma'am.
okay very good now we will do another problem okay fine ಈಗ ನನಗೆ we know price elasticity. Elasticity of price ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತು. Don't write this. Wait. Listen. Don't write this. I am telling you. I am speaking. But what have they given? Elasticity of supply ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸೊ elasticity of price ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಪ್ಪ percentage change in quantity divided by percentage change in price. ಇದಲ್ವಾ ನಾವು ಓದಿರೋದು, ಇದೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ ನಾವು ಓದಿರೋದು ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿನಾನು. ನಾವು ಎಲಾಸ್ಟಿಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಬದಲು ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿ. ಈ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಬದಲು ಏನಂತ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ? ಈ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಬದಲು ಏನಂತ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ? ಸಪ್ಲೈ. ಸೊ percentage change in supply divided by percentage change in price. What is this? This is elasticity of supply. Elasticity of supply. ಇದೊಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸರ್ ರಮೇಶ್ ಅವ್ರು ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಹೌದಾ, ಓಕೆ ಸರ್. ಅವ್ರು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ಕರೀರಿ ಸರ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡನ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು?
Yes, ma'am.
ಫೈನ್. ಈಗ ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ನಾವು ಸೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನಾವೇನು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವೋ ಈಗ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ನಾವು ಈಗ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಇಂಟು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬೈ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತವಲ್ಲ, ಸೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್? ಎಲಾಸ್ಟಿಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಬೈ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಇಂಟು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬೈ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಫ್ the price of sugar increases from 800 to 10,000 per ton and the quantity of the supplies decreases from 2,000 to 2,500. ಈಗ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಬದಲು ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಬದಲು ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಬದಲು ಏನಂತ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? What is the term which is used instead of quantity?
Supply.
Supply. So ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಬರ್ದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಅನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ. ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ.
-1.
-1. -1 ಬಂತಾ? I want everyone to do this. Don't stare at me. ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ. Mohan, got to know? Mohan.
1 minute, ma'am.
Mohan, instead of quantity, you just have to put supply here.
1, ma'am, answer.
So what's the answer?
1.
One. Good. How many of you got 1? Yes, Janak 1 and the answer bantu. Good. 1 from Sukrush, 1 from Balki. What are you guys doing? Yes, ಯಾಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಟೈಮ್
-1
ಹಿಡಿತಿದೆ?
madam.
ಒನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಬಂತು? ರೈಸ್ ಯೋರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್.
-1 madam.
-1
Answer.
ಬಂತ? ವಿಲ್ ಚೆಕ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಸಿಂಬಲ್. But I want you people to raise your hands if you have got 1 or -1. Up straight. Okay, fine. Others? ಇನ್ನೂ ತುಂಬ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. 30 seconds. Last 30 seconds. ಓಕೆ, ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಬೋರ್ಡ್. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಬಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್? ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಬಂತ 1 ಅಂತ? ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ? ಹೂ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಾಟ್ ದಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಸ್ 1? ಸೊ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ದ ಡೇಟಾ. ಡೇಟಾ ಏನು ಬಂತು ನಿಮಗೆ? ಸೊ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್, ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರೈಸ್. ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಶುಗರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 8,000. ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ is 10,000.
10,000.
10,000. ಈಗ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು? 2,000 ಇತ್ತು. ಈಗ ನ್ಯೂ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು?
2,500.
2,500. ಗುಡ್. Okay. Now, what is the formula? Formula is change in quantity by quantity into price by change in price.
Change in price.
ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ. ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ ಇರೋದು? ಇದು ಪ್ರೈಸು, ಇದು ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ? ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 500. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 2,500 minus 2,000. ಗುಡ್. ಮೈನಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ, ಇದು ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಏನು? ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಆರ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ? ಎಷ್ಟು? ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್
1,000.
2,000. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಇಂಟು ಪ್ರೈಸ್. ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೈಸು
8,000 divided by 2,000.
8,000 divided by ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ 2,000. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರೋ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಹೂಎವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ 00 00 000 000 2 1s 2 4s 4 1s 4 5s 5 1s and 5 1. So therefore elasticity of supply is equal to 1. So ಯಾವ್ದು ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? ಎಲಾಸ್ಟಿಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಆರ್ ಡಿ? ಗುಡ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು? ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ I want you people to do this particular thing. Elasticity of supply. Same thing. Now we again madadwa same. I want you people to calculate elasticity of supply.
Ma'am, 3.
Very good.
3.0 madam. 3.0.
3.0. Very good. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂತು 3.0? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 30 seconds. Done? ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಬಂತಾ? Should we have to do it again on the board? How many of you have still not got the answer? Raise your hand. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 3 ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ? ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಬಂತಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ತುಂಬ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ನಡೀತಿದೆ. How many of you got 3 as answer? ಆನ್ಸರ್ 3 ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ? Raise your hands. Okay, fine, good. All of you have got the answer. Very good. So 3 is the answer. Next question is here. Let me see who is going to solve this. Price elasticity. Idu yaadu heli? Change in quantity by quantity into price by change in price. The same old concept. I want to see who is going to solve this. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ, ಅಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹಿ ಬೈ 60 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಇದೆ, ನ್ಯೂ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಏನಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಎಲಾಸ್ಟಿಸಿಟಿ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಟ್ರೈ ಡೇಟಾ ಏನೇನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಡಿ. ರೈಟ್ ದ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಡೇಟಾ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Try. I want everyone to try. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟ್ರೈಡ್ ದಿಸ್? ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಅನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂತಾ? ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ.
No, ma'am.
It's very easy. I don't know why are you feeling it difficult?
Ma'am, I think minus 3.75.
Minus 3.75. Let's see. But you have got elasticity, I guess. Number bandila ina. You have got somewhere in. You have stuck somewhere in the middle. So we'll see. Okay. Now, tell me. ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೊಂದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಈಗ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಈ ಕಾಲಮ್ನ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್, ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರೈಸ್, ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ, ನ್ಯೂ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಟು ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು? ಅ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ ಬೈಸ್ 80 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಟ್ ₹4 per unit. So he buys.
Madam, 4.25 answer.
4.25. We will see, sir. ಅದೇ ಎಲಾಸ್ಟಿಸಿಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸ್ಟಕ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ, again we'll have to derive. No problem. Good, you have tried. Very good. So, what is the question they have told? 80 units ತಗೊಂತಾರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ 4 rupees per unit ಇರುವಾಗ. So the new price, the old price is 4 per unit, the old quantity is 80 units per 80 units and 4. ಈಗ next, price elasticity is -4. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಎಲಾಸ್ಟಿಸಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ -4. ಓಕೆ, ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ವಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹಿ ಬೈ 60 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್, ದ ನ್ಯೂ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನ್ಯೂ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಅವರು? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ? 60. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನೇ ನೀವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು. ಸೊ ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರೈಸನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೋಣ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ನೌ elasticity of price is nothing but change in quantity by quantity into price by
Price divided by change in price.
very good, divided by change in price. Change in quantity ಏನಪ್ಪ? 60 minus 80 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
-20.
minus
Minus
20 divided by quantity ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? old quantity 80 into price ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? old price
4.
4. ಹಾ, ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ನ್ಯೂ ಮೈನಸ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್. ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ? ನ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ವಿಚ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಫಾರ್ ನ್ಯೂ?
-60.
ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 4. ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 4. ಸೊ ಎಲಾಸ್ಟಿಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ? ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಟೋಲ್ಡ್. ಎಲಾಸ್ಟಿಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ? ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ -4. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ -4. ಈ ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ? ಈ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರ್ದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೌ 0 0 4 1s 4 2s 2 and 2 gets cancelled. ಈ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ? -4 is equal to -1 by x -4. ಇಲ್ಲಿ -1 ಅಲ್ವಾ? -1 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ x -4. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಬರೀರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಯು ಡನ್ ವಿತ್ ಇಟ್?
Ma'am.
ಓಕೆ, ನೌ ಶಾಲ್ ವಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ದಿಸ್? ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿರುವಾಗ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? -4 ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ -4 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು -1. ಓಕೆ, -4x minus into minus plus 4 4s
16.
calculator ಬೇಕಾ? is equal to -1. all of you got this? just cross multiplication, just cross multiplication. Okay, now -4x is equal to -1 minus 16. -4x is equal to -17. x is equal to minus and minus gets cancelled, 17 by 4. Tell me the answer using calculator.
4.25.
Okay, someone told this
4.25.
answer, right? Someone told this answer well before.
25.
Yes, madam.
Very good. Give him a big round of applause. All of you clap for him. Very good answer. It is 4.25. The answer came from Gurukul, right? Yaar
Ma'am.
answer ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು? What's the name? What's your name?
Yogesh.
Yogesh. Very good. 4.25 is the answer. Very good. All of you got this answer? Mohan, you have gone wrong with
Ma'am.
minus. If not, your answer was also right. Okay. Done with this?
Yes,
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ
ma'am.
ಆಯ್ತಾಯ್ತು?
Yes, ma'am.
Last 5 seconds to whoever is writing.
Over, ma'am.
Over? Completely? Very good. Okay. Put the next heading as arc elasticity. ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಆರ್ಕ್ ಎಲಾಸ್ಟಿಸಿಟಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದು ನೋಡೋಣ. ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಒನ್, ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಒನ್. ಆರ್ಕ್ ಎಲಾಸ್ಟಿಸಿಟಿ. ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್.
Ma'am, actually one new student has come today for CA class.
Okay.
So I think that if he sit for 5 minutes or he feel like demo class.
That's totally fine. They can sit for another 20 minutes where the class, till the class ends.
Ah, okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
No problem.
Thank you, ma'am.
May I know your name? Mohan, give him the mic.
Dinesh.
Dinesh, okay. Dinesh, there is only one rule. You just have to open the book. You can take a paper from Mohan because this is a problem solving thing. So just keep calculating. It's still fine, don't worry. It is arc elasticity. You're just calculating things. You can share the calculator with him. Mohan is like having so much of zeal. Ma'am, you want a paper, you want a pen, pencil, compass, protractor, everything I have. Okay, good, fine. Arc elasticity. All of you? Are we ready? Start Mana?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, nice. Okay. I want you people to just copy this diagram. ನಾನೇನು ಬರಿತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು. What was this line? What was
The budget line. Budget line.
budget line? Huh? Go ahead and tell me. Budget line next. Demand curve. It was always sloping downwards.
Downwards.
Downwards. This is a demand curve. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ what am I doing is what I'll show you. Just draw this particular slopes. I will tell you what am I solving. Okay, all of you done? Idu downward sloping demand curve ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇದೆಯಾ? It always slopes downwards. Why does it slope? ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? This demand curve has arc. So idu perfect ಆಗಿ downward slope ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. There is an arc. So we are measuring the distance as well as the value for this arc. So ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೊಂದು ಆರ್ಕ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ? Arc ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ? What is an arc? It is not a straight line, it is a part of the circle, that's it. So adu illiruvaga how do you measure it? Is nothing but your arc elasticity. Done? All of you? Okay. We will write one formula and we are solving two problems on that. We are writing one formula. What is a formula? Very simple one. Elasticity of price under arc elasticity is equal to elasticity of price under arc elasticity is equal to Q2 minus Q1 by Q2 plus Q1. Q2 minus Q1 divided by Q2 plus Q1 into ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕೀಗ? Q ಆಗೋಯ್ತು, ಇನ್ನೇನು ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ? Price. So very good, write down P2 plus P1 divided by P2 minus P1.
Minus P1.
Very good, perfect dear. of you? You have written this formula? Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay, now we are solving one problem. Take down the first problem under arc elasticity. P1 was rupees 500. P1 was rupees 500. P2 was rupees 400. That means the price has come down. 500 rupees is a product to 400 rupees bandide. So P1 is 500, P2 is 400. Next one, Q1. Q1 is equal to 100 units. Q2 is equal to 150 units. Q2 is equal to 150 units. All of you towards me for a second. Idu description alli heng kottirtare andre, just because there is a fall in price, from 500 to 400, there is a consumer who is buying more from 100 units to 150 units. Gotaita? P1, P2, Q1, Q2. Heng agutte anta. So it is nothing but old price is nothing but P1, new price is nothing but P2. Old quantity is nothing but Q1, new quantity is nothing but Q2. Artha aita idu? When you will have to derive? Okay. The same thing, I want you people to put in arc elasticity formula and tell me the answer. Yado arc elasticity formula? This is the one.
1.8.
Mohan, can you 1.8 is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Plus or minus?
Yes.
Plus. Very good. Okay. Let's see. Let's see the answer. Don't worry. But I want you people to solve it. This is the formula. Idu formula. Idu question.
It's minus 1.8.
Minus 1.8 banta. We will see. We will see whether it is plus or minus. Don't worry. Always price elasticity will be negative. So it is still fine to write 1.8. But we will calculate it. Don't worry. Mohan, just check once. You're somewhere missing that sign.
Minus 1.8 me on this side.
Then why did you tell plus man? Okay, fine. How many of you have completed? Very good. Last 30 seconds. Last 30 seconds for the ones who have not yet completed. Dinesh, got it?
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
Good, very good. Gurukul, shall we solve it together? Shall we solve it together, all of you? Okay, tell me the formula. Elasticity of price under arc elasticity. Idu mention madirtare. Question alle mention madirtare that saying you will have to use arc elasticity anta. Okay, now tell me elasticity of price. Formula eno arc elasticity nalli? Q2 minus Q1 by Q2 plus Q1
Q2 plus Q1.
into
Price 2 plus price 1.
very good by
P2 minus P1.
sorry P1. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? Now tell me, what is Q2 plus Q1? Q2 plus Q1. How much is it?
250.
250. Oh, I have written. Oh, I'm sorry.
It's 50 minus 50 divided by 250.
Very good, very good. Q2 minus Q1. How much is Q2? 150 minus 100. How much do we get?
50.
50 divided by Q2 plus Q1, how much is it? 150 plus
250.
100. It is 250.
250.
Into P2 plus P1, that is P2 plus
900.
P1,
900.
900 divided by P2 minus P1, so 400 minus
Minus 100.
very
Minus
good,
100.
minus 100. If you calculate this, how much do you get? You get minus 9 by 5. So how much did it come to? Minus 1.8. Minus 1.8.
Minus 1.8.
So what is this? This is price elasticity under arc elasticity method. Artha aita elrigunu? All of you?
Yes, madam.
Yeah, okay. Now I am giving you one more problem. I want you people to solve this totally using arc elasticity method. Using arc elasticity method. You have solved it in price elasticity. The same problem, I want you people to use arc elasticity method. Okay, this is the problem. Suppose the price of the movies seen at a theater rises from 120 per person to 200 per person. Tell me, 120 into 200 agide. So what am I supposed to write? What am I supposed to write? Tell me the data first.
P1 120, P2 200.
P1 120, P2 200. Very good. Okay. The theater manager observes that the rise in price causes attendance at a given movie to fall from 300 to 200 persons. So, again, artha agat namge? Fall agide.
Q1.
So, jana baradu kammi agidare. So, what does it mean? Q1 is
300.
Q2 is? How much is Q2?
200.
200. Very good.
200.
Very good. Solve it.
Minus 0.8.
Minus 0.8 is
0.8.
0.8. Very good. 0.8 is the right answer. How many of you got 0.8? Raise your hands. Good. How many of you got Gurukul? Okay. Last 1 minute.
Point 8, ma'am.
Sorry, dear. How much?
0.8, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. 0.8 is the answer. Perfect answer. All of you got 0.8?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. One last question. One last question. Shall we do it together? Okay. Write down. Write down. When the price of a commodity increases from 12 to 16, that is rupees 12 to rupees 16, the demand for this commodity, the demand for this commodity comes down from 150 units to 100 units. 150 units to 100 units. So the price has gone up from 12 to 16. Demand has come down from 150 to 100.
Minus 1.4, ma'am.
Minus 1.4 is Mohan's answer. Using arc elasticity. Okay, let's see. Let's solve it together to get to know the answer. Gurukul?
0.9.
Okay. Gurukul, this is from Sukrish. Mohan. Gurukul, who is answering it?
0.9. 0.9, ma'am.
0.9 is one answer from Gurukul. Okay, let's see. How many of you have completed? How many of you have got the answer? If you have got some other answer also, tell me. That's still fine.
Madam, 1.4.
1.4.
4.
1.4 is only the other answer from Gurukul. Okay. 1.4, okay. Only one person got 0.9. I want this person to check again.
1.4.
1.4, good, okay. All of you, how many of you have got any answer other than 1.4? Raise your hands.
1.4, ma'am.
1.4, okay, good. The girl who answered 0.9, did you solve it again?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you got 1.4?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good, fine. Now, ಈಗ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ 1.4 ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ? ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ 1.4 ಅಲ್ದಿರ ಇನ್ನು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ? Okay, fine. Now tell me whether this particular thing is elastic or inelastic or perfectly elastic or perfectly inelastic. Go to the table. Go to the table. Dinesh, refer the table given. Okay, tell me whether it is elastic, inelastic, perfectly elastic or perfectly inelastic. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೂ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? 1.4 ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
Elastic, ma'am.
ಎಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಪಕ್ಕನಾ?
Inelastic, ma'am. Inelastic.
I will go to the table, all of you towards the table. Yes, here is the table. How can it be inelastic, man? 0 to 1 is inelastic. See, 0 to 1 is inelastic. What is the value which we have got now? It is
1.4.
Exactly. So 1 point anything, let it be more than 1, this will be elastic. Good, very good. So whatever answer we have got now is elastic. Okay, good. Banta answer adu? Previous question ಏನು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ರು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು? Previous question do?
Is inelastic.
Very good. It is inelastic. What is the answer? Value ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು?
Minus 0.8.
Minus 0.8. So minus 0.8 ನಾವು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
0 to 1.
0 to 1. So this is inelastic. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Very good. All of you have understood? No problem with this? Okay. One problem for assignment, and we'll end it. Okay? I want this problem to be done by everyone. Any problem, Gurukul?
Can we continue tomorrow?
Okay, I'll just write that in 1 minute. I'll not dictate the entire thing. Just one small thing. So P1 rupees 10, P2 is 12, Q1 is 50, Q2 is 40. That's it. I want to know whether this is elastic or inelastic or perfectly elastic or perfectly inelastic. You can share it later, no problem. Gurukul, you can share it. No problem, you can leave. I know it's getting late for your buses, but this is the problem. You can just leave, don't worry. No problem, no problem. Sir, recording
Elastic.
stop. Recording stop.
Ma'am, it's elastic.
It's elastic. Oh, you solved it here only, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. What is the value which you got?
Minus 1.21.
1.21. Good. So 1.21 comes under elastic. So you can take the option elastic. Wow, man. Is it Vishwa?
No, ma'am.
Madam,
No.
minus 1.21.
Minus 1.21. Very good. Perfect answer, sir. Good. ಈಗ ಮೈನಸ್
Yes.
1.21 ಬಂದಿದೆಯಲ್ವಾ, ಯಾವ್ದು ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? ಎಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕಾ, ಇನ್ಎಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕಾ, ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಎಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕಾ, ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಎಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕಾ?
Elastic.
Elastic. Good. Very good. Perfect. So we'll continue in the next class. So arc elasticity
Okay, ma'am.
ಮುಗೀತು. Next class we'll go with cross elasticity. Cross elasticity ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಕಾಫಿ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಟೀ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So you are measuring with two particular commodities. Very easy one. Very, very easy. You need not get worried and all. Come to the class, we'll learn it together. Clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Enjoy all your classes.
Same to you.
Yes. Okay. Mohan, what happened to others?
Absent, ma'am.
They are preparing for something? They had prepared.